What's up, everyone? I'm Ashley. I'm a streamer, YouTuber, podcaster, social media person thing, stream coach, and industry consultant. I am very busy. It takes a lot of time, energy, and effort to do everything that I do, and you probably know this because you probably found this Patreon as a result of one of those things that I've created, which means that you're probably a creator yourself. What up? Our Patreon community is filled with people exactly like you. We come together through group coaching, one-on-one coaching, private videos, or hangouts to talk about content creation and help each other reach our goals. Many of my clients have gone on to get partnered, triple their income, or finally figure out their brand, and it's an absolute thrill ride to see it happen. So if you need help, this is where you want to be. Sign up for one of our Patreon tiers today because this space is limited and it's not going to be around forever. After 2 years of stream coaching, we're currently working on switching everything over to my company, Stream Coach, which means that this is one of the last chances for you to work with me exclusively if you want my help to grow your stream. Lots of changes are coming and I cannot wait to show you what we have been working on. See you inside. Is it wrong that I use you for patrons? You don't get to consent.